So if we don't have one-shot moments like this, yeah, sorry, it's not as cool. So to those who don't like the way I do the videos, it's more for information and educational, so I do apologize. So here we have some... Okay. So as I was sitting here thinking about that, getting the camera ready, I thought about this, so this is how we're doing this. Not a Donald, 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 Batman. That's funny. It's really going on, PEZ collecting fans. Josh, the PEZ guy here with a, there is a variation. With the Batman Dark Knight, his ears were a little pointy. I guess you could take out your friend with the pointy ears. So they dulled the ears, and they made them more fat, a little more blunt, so it would take more hits for you to injure your friend. Now, as I always say, look for IMCs and countries. You can see it's a little bit of a different mold on the stem as well. So you can see there were two different runs. So of course, two different head types. And I have seen one on a European card with no made in country and a black head. Pretty sure it was the dull ears. And here you see an IMC 5. So there you go. Those are the differences in the Batman Dark Knight PEZ dispensers. There are two mold variations in the head. Hope you can see them there. If you can't, you can see Donald. Donald's checking it out right now. So until next time.